Hi, and welcome to the Quick and Easy Meals channel. On this channel, we create quick and easy meals that anyone can make. But in this series, we're going to work on keto-friendly, quick and easy meals. So this is going to be the keto series, which you will know by either this corner or that corner where it will say keto series. So look for the keto series signs if you're looking to lower your A1C, which is your high blood sugar levels. Very important to do, and we're going to get you started starting now. Okay, so today for our keto series, we're going to make strawberry, blackberry, chia seed pudding. And you won't even need a stove. All your ingredients is right here. We're going to use blackberries, strawberries, almond milk, vanilla extract, Greek yogurt unflavored, and chia seeds. Now the chia seeds you will mix with the milk, and you would like to let that sit for at least 4 hours. You could go without letting it sit, but it's going to taste much better if you let the seeds soak up the milk. So make sure you're planning this in advance when you get ready to make it. All right, let's get started, and hopefully you stay around for my bonus round of how to manage your A1C high blood sugar level. All right. Okay, first we're going to put our chia seeds and our almond milk together in the refrigerator for 4 hours, which we've already done. We used a cup of almond milk and one-fourth cup of chia seeds, and we put that in the refrigerator in a mason jar, as you can see. So now that refrigerator for 4 hours, and now it's ready to go. So the next step is to put in your half a cup of yogurt, plain, no sugar, in your bowl. Kind of get that all stirred up. Next, we will mix our chia seeds in, and then we will prepare our strawberries. We will mix those in, but we're going to only use about 5 strawberries and cut them in half, so it'll be like 10 strawberries. But you don't want to overdo the strawberries because they do have sugar. So we'll mix that in next. So once we got the chia seeds and the yogurt mixed up and the almond milk, we're going to slice the strawberries in half. You can make them smaller, thin if you want, but just try not to use more than 5 strawberries. And then we will mix those into our little mixture and mix those in really well. Okay, once you get that all mixed up really well, then you want to put it into your serving dish. Okay, once you get that mixed up, you want to add in 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. That helps give it some good flavor. And then you want to prepare it, put it into your main serving dish. So now you got it all stirred up in there, and now you want to put it into your main serving dish. Make sure you get your strawberries in there. You could cut the strawberries smaller if you want. I just like to gulp them, and you're almost done. Now you're going to add in your blackberries. You lose about 6 or 7 blackberries, and there you go. You take the rest, like I said, it's set out overnight and set in the refrigerator for 4 hours, so you can put this lid on it and have it prepared for the next day. And if you're not ready to eat just yet, but you made this in advance for your dessert for your dinner, then you put your lid on this, put it back in the refrigerator, and there's dessert. Okay, so this is a very healthy thing. The yogurt provides you with high protein and probiotic, and the chia seeds is anti-cancer properties and high fiber, and the strawberries help lower your blood pressure. This is a really, really healthy thing. So you're going to want to do it, and stand by for my bonus round to show you how to measure and keep track of your A1C, because it's that important. So no sense in eating right if you're not really measuring the result. So let's measure the result. Okay, for our bonus round, we're going to go over how to check your A1C so that you can check yours daily. So you get this little package, comes in here, AccuCheck, has these 3 items, and then you buy your stick. It's about $30 or $10. So, you know, it's about $40 project, but it's worth it. So first, you want to take out your AccuPen. That was my old one from when I checked it before. You take this, your pen that you're going to stick yourself with, and just twist the cap off. And then you find these notches right here. There's a notch on here right there. And then you just match those notches up, put it at whatever level you want to stick. I always do 5. Push this button in, it turns yellow. Then you get this out. And this is your meter. It's going to tell you now a 12-hour fast, meaning if you ate last night at 6 o'clock, and you check your sugar at 7 o'clock in the morning, it should be under 100. And if it's not, that means you have too much sugar in your body, and you got to figure out how to keep it under 100 after a 12-hour fast. Okay, so now you put the stick in there, and then you wait for that little thing to start blinking. That's a blood drop there. And then you wash your hands with soap and water, which I've already done. And then you stick yourself and get the blood to come out. And once you get that out, you put it on this tip and you wait and see what the number is going to be. Ooh, my number is 102. That means I need to really focus more on my sugar. It should be under 100. 102, not good. Got to keep working at it. It's a work in progress. You got to be careful about your carbs and your sugars. All right, folks. So I'll be checking that again on my next video to see if I brought my number down. And it should come down to below 100 every morning after a 12-hour fast. If it doesn't, you're probably having too much carbs or sugar in your diet. All right. So until next time, check your A1C.